In a small village nestled between the embracing arms of ancient mountains, there lived a young monk named Tenzin. Tenzin was known for his deep curiosity and an insatiable desire to understand the world. Despite his dedication to the path of enlightenment, one question continually puzzled him: what is the true power of silence? Determined to find an answer, Tenzin embarked on a journey to the solitary peak of Mount Dhyan, where lived an enlightened hermit known as Master Lobsang. It was said that Master Lobsang had not spoken a word for decades, finding solace and wisdom in the embrace of silence. Tenzin trekked through dense forests and scaled steep cliffs, driven by his quest for understanding. After several days, he finally reached the summit, where he found Master Lobsang sitting serenely, his gaze lost in the vast expanse before him. Eager for answers, Tenzin asked, "Master Lobsang, I have traveled far to understand the true power of silence. Can you teach me?" Master Lobsang opened his eyes, and a gentle smile graced his lips. Instead of speaking, he gestured for Tenzin to sit beside him and simply gaze out at the horizon. Confused but trusting, Tenzin complied. Days passed, with Tenzin sitting by the master's side from sunrise to sunset, embracing the silence of the mountain. At first, he was restless, his mind buzzing with unanswered questions. But as the days turned into weeks, something within Tenzin began to shift. He started to notice the subtle dance of the wind, the melodious songs of birds, and the rhythmic patterns of his own breath. The silence he once found daunting became a source of profound peace and clarity. Insights about life, suffering, and happiness began to unfold within him, like lotus flowers blooming from the mud. One morning, as the first light of dawn painted the sky in hues of gold and pink, Tenzin turned to Master Lobsang, his eyes brimming with gratitude. Without words, he bowed deeply, realizing he had found his answer. In the weeks spent in silence, Tenzin learned that silence is not merely the absence of sound but a profound teacher. It holds the power to quiet the restless mind, allowing one to hear the whispers of wisdom that the noisy world drowns out. Silence, he discovered, is the space where true understanding and insight flourish. With a heart full of joy and a mind clear as the mountain air, Tenzin descended back to his village. He returned not with answers to speak but with a newfound presence that inspired those around him. Through his silence, he taught others the beauty of listening, the strength found in stillness, and the wisdom that lies beyond words. And so, Tenzin's journey revealed that the greatest lessons often come not from the clamor of the world but from the quiet whispers of the wind and the silent teachings of the heart. For more such stories, please like, share, subscribe and comment below.